All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol ZOM. And before I get started, I do want to state some things. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And don't forget to share this information with your friends and community. So Zomedica Pharmaceuticals Corp had a bullish run. Incredible. Reaching close to uh, 20 cents, jumping all the way from 16 cents. That was a 4-cent jump for a penny stock like this. That's a big move, and very interesting that it happened once this stock crossed the 50-day moving average, and as the 50-day moving average was getting closer to it, that's the moment the bulls decided to reappear, bringing this one north up to newer highs, and then obviously the sell-off happened, fell back down about 2 cents below it, and it closed off almost a cent above. The question is, are the bulls going to continue this bullish run that just started? Usually people look at this as a bull flag, right? Stands up, levels out, and then obviously the next thing is another stand up in an upward north direction. So looking at this stock based off of its previous highs and stuff in the last couple of weeks, it was up at like around 27 cents. And before that, it had its, moments of growing from 13 cents up to 27. Before that, it had reached 36 cents. So we're looking back about 2 months here into this chart. So is the potential there for this to reach newer highs higher than 18? Certainly, based off of the past and how this chart reacted, but honestly, there has to be a little bit more inside information on this. And I'm just going to go based off of strictly charts here and what the charts are showing us. But anybody who wants to piggyback off of what I state, any news, you're more than welcome to go ahead and share that with other investors. I always encourage that. And I know that viewers and subscribers and investors that come across this channel or this video will find that comment informative and helpful as well, especially when it's valid information and news. And that's all that I encourage, valid information and news, so that investors can go ahead and benefit from such information. So let's go ahead and look at the resistance level, support level, and the closing price and where the 50-day moving average is. So the first thing I want to state is this is the most important resistance level of all. I know that 1901 is showing as the current resistance level, but way up here is the most important. That's 1990. That's the highest point this stock reached from the moment this bullish run started. It got rejected. It tried coming back up to it, and the closest it got to it was 1976. So 1990 is so vital right now because that's going to let us know if this bullish run can continue to newer highs. But before we get to 1990, I'd write that down. But before we get there, the bulls need to break through 1901. If 1901 can be broken through and it shows and proves itself to be used as support, this run can continue from there on out to break through new resistance levels. So the bulls have a shot there. If they break through this, they prove it, they show that it can be used as support and continue the bullish run and rally, keeping themselves further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction, keeping this in bullish territory. On the other side of things, right, is the support level. So this closed out at 1845 and 1757 is the support. If the bears try to bring this one back down here and they don't break through it and the bulls reappear somewhere in between that area or even close to it, they can bring this one back up, use it as support, and work their way back closer to this resistance level to continue the bullish run. But if the bears do break through this support level, there's a very small window of uncertainty here and a very, very small window of honestly the bulls trying their best to bring it back. But if the bears really tear this apart, they have that small window to their advantage, because all they need to do is bring it from 1757 down to the 50-day moving average of 1717 and break through it to bring it down to bearish territory. And even though the Bears do that, I won't say that the chart is completely destroyed and the Bears have completely won. The Bears are just gaining the upper hand at that point, and the Bulls are losing leverage. But the Bulls can use that price as a point of advantage to load up on stocks and bring this one back up. But we'll have to see how this one plays out. Just keep in mind the 50-day moving average is 1717, the support level 1757. Obviously, here we are with our resistance level of 1901. And don't forget the main turning point of how much more bullish this can continue to get, which is 1990. So with those facts there and those numbers, you guys should be well equipped to see how this behaves tomorrow, so you guys can make your own rational decisions in the upcoming days and week. But as always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video, and share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to comment down below any news or information you guys want to share. I encourage that, and I appreciate that for the viewers and investors. Don't forget to do that. Anybody that feels inclined to, you're more than welcome to. And thank you for watching.